Okay, here we are at the Eldorado Casitas, Part 2. Just come in the room. There's the bed. And to the right we have the shower room. That cuts up. Outside shower, as same as the last time. Bloody magic. Okay, shutter. That's just coming out. Okay, moving on to the room. To the bed. This time no Fiona sleeping under a pillow. We've got a couple of elephants on the bed, which is a bit cheeky, I think. Moving around. There's a mirror. Table. That's a big huge cabinet with a TV in it, and an indoor jacuzzi. Moving on outside, we have the balcony. Mrs. Clark sleeping. Me having a beer. And another beer. And it is absolutely roasting hot.